Histological slides and components of a didactic series. Zoology Protozoan Code 4979, as written by Paolo Castano. 10 samples to illustrate the infinite world of unicellular microscopic animals may not appear much, but those belonging to the present collection are the most representative of these little animals that live both free in the waters of ponds and lakes, both parasites of other animals, man included. Paramecium is one of the best known, and some specimens are presented that not only illustrate its characteristics, the typical shape like a slipper at the cilia, but the reproductive modality too.